Neptune!
In our solar system, 9 planets cycle around our sun.
The solar system is made of two parts, the inner and outer solar system.
Inner contains Mercury, Venus, Earth and Mars. These 4 planets are closest to the Sun.
The other solar system contains Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus, Neptune and Pluto.
Neptune is a big planet. Neptune is a gas planet like Jupiter.
Gas planets are very windy. Neptune has got the fastest winds in the solar system.
In 4 large planets in size, the core of Saturn is much hotter.
It is 4,489 million kilometers distance from the Sun. It is the 8th planet close to the Sun.
Neptune has got 8 moons, 7 small ones and a large one called Triton.
The duration on them in 60 hours and 6 minutes. The duration of a year is 165 years.
The maximum temperature is 72, the minimum is 229 degrees.